Number 7, you're going to set up and solve the system of the equation based on this real life scenario. So there are a total of 64 students in a drama club and a yearbook club. Oh, that's easy. Look, their totals are 2 nouns. So you have the students in the drama club. So drama club. So I'm going to use the letter D for that. And then I have yearbook club. So the letter Y for yearbook club. Right? Okay, that's the first. And they say there is a total of 64. Oh, there you go. So drama D plus the yearbook club is equal to 64. Okay, this is your equation for the first one. Then the second equation, the drama club has 10 more students. So has more equals to 10. And the word more means plus than the yearbook club. Okay? So that's what it translates to. So drama, the second equation is drama has 10 more than yearbook club. That's what the second equation is translated to. The top one is drama plus yearbook equals to 64. There you go. That's our system. Okay? Now we can actually solve for it. This time I'm going to use substitution because you see how it's already solved for the letter D. Okay, so I'm going to write my equation. D plus Y is equal to 64. I erase the letter D, but notice the letter D here is 10 plus Y, so 10 plus Y. Y plus Y is 2Y, so 2Y, bring down the 10, bring down the equal sign, equals to 24. Minus 10 to both sides, you get 2Y is equal to 54, divided by 2, you get Y is equal to 54 divided by 2, that gets you 27. So there are 27 people in the yearbook club. 27 people in yearbook. Now let's plug it into to find the drama club. We know drama is equal to 10 more plus the yearbook. But we know that yearbook, we can make that substitution, was 27. So if there was 10 more than that makes it 37. So there were 37 people in drama club. There you go.